So, how to open VT Market account? So, click mo lang yung link na binigay namin sa inyo. There, click mo lang. And then, fill up mo lang, scroll down and fill up mo lang itong country. And then, after sa country, email and password. Guys, sa password, make it sure nga itong nakalagay na ito na follow na itong recommendation nila na password.
So in this video, pag-uusapan naman natin paano mo i-link yung VT Markets account mo or brokers account mo or Light Finance account mo sa MT5. Okay, sa MT5. So para lang po, you don't need to download VT Markets or broker. What you need to download is MT5. Okay, so example, kung wala pa kayong wala pa kayong MT5, so you go to, punta ka sa Play Store, search mo lang dito MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Ito po, MetaTrader 5. Yun po yung i-install nyo, is this one, MetaTrader 5. Yun po yung install nyo. So in our case, meron na tayo. Sa gagawin lang natin guys is i-link natin guys itong MetaTrader ko. So sa taas guys, upper left, click mo and then manage account and then plus. Okay, plus. Here, make sure you type the broker again. Nakita natin yung VT Markets, but ito yung common mistake, so kailangan mo siyang i-type para ma-refresh. We need to refresh this one. So i-type natin VT Markets, yun, naka-refresh na. So yan. So pag type natin VT Markets guys, dito maraming nagkamali. Okay, dito maraming nagkamali. Iba yung account mo pag login sa VT Markets, iba din yung MetaTrader account mo or MT5 account. Yung MT5 account, yun yung video how to create live or how to create demo. After you create that one, may nag-i-email sila, 100% yan nag-i-email. Minsan lang medyo nagkaroon ng delay, pero minsan lang, most of the time nag-i-email sila. So gagawin natin, punta ta doon sa email natin, email. So here, nandito na. So ito yung login natin guys. So gagawin ko guys is i-copy paste ko lang ito. Okay, copy. Punta ako ulit sa copy. So make it sure guys you copy paste again properly. Okay. Usually dito nagkamali kasi syempre pag mali ang login, mali ang password, hindi talaga mag-went through dyan. So ulitin ko, balik ka dito sa MT5. Itong password guys, I suggest na i-copy paste mo kasi may mga character nga same, like letter I and letter L is the same, or letter Z, number 0 and letter O is the same. So i-copy mo lang yan para sure. Okay, password yan. Pag na-refresh mo, na-type yung VT Markets, tama yung password mo, last thing titingnan mo guys is yung server. Okay, server ito, diba, server. Tingnan mo kung VT Markets live yung server mo, dito rin VT Markets live din yung server. Okay, pag i-click mo yan, 100% yan, magkaroon ng connecting. Pag no connection, ibig sabihin mali. Mali yung password, mali yung login number. So connecting yan guys. Pag connecting na yan guys, o yan, ito connected na. So pwede ka nang mag-start ng trade mo. Okay? So yun lang po guys. Make it sure na tama yung login, password at na-refresh mo yung broker. Alright? How to create new live account in VT Markets. So, bakit ka mag-create ng live account? Dati, baka demo pa yung account mo, gumawa ka or mag-separate ka. Dati yung standard mo, gawa ka ng panibagong sent account, o yung sent account ka, gawa ka ng panibagong standard account. Ngayon, maganda kasi si VT Markets, meron silang 100% bonus. Ibig sabihin, pag mag-deposit ka ng 300, nalagay doon sa trading capital mo is 600. Maximum po 1,000 USD sa trading capital mo is magiging 2,000. So, kailangan mag-create ka ng bago. So, click ka dito, live, i-click mo lang itong live account, tapos open live account. Tapos, naka MetaTrader 5. Huwag dito sa MetaTrader 4 ha. So, wag dyan. So, switch to MetaTrader 5. Then dito is mamili ka, pwede ka ditong standard. Okay, Now, kung gusto naman ng cent, i-click mo itong all here, makikita mo dito, cent standard yung gagawin mo. Okay, cent standard or standard. So, same process lang yan. Cent standard or standard. Pero for this video, ang gagawin natin standard. Click natin standard. And then, of course, ang main currency natin is USD. And then, check mo lang ito na nag-agree ka. Submit. Okay? So, additional open account. Meron ka ng open account sa VT Markets mo. Okay. Now, saan ba yon? Makikita mo yan dito. Kung gusto mo mag-change ng leverage, kasi 500 yung by default nila. Okay, ito pala. Standard in processing. So, gusto mo mag-change ng leverage, pwede mong i-click dito and then change ka ng leverage. O, leverage, desired leverage. Ano ba yung maximum na binigay nila is the bigger, the more aggressive. So, gusto mong 1,000, pwede mo dito i-click ng 1,000 and then i-click mo ng agree and then i-click mo lang save. So, yan, nakagawa ka ng account, punta ka sa email, 100% yan, magbibigay sila ng login, magbibigay sila ng password, at ano yung server, yun ang gagamitin mong login ka doon sa MT5 na platform or MT5 na app. Okay?
Want to start trading on MetaTrader 5 using your phone? Follow these simple steps. First, download MetaTrader 5 on Play Store. Search the MetaTrader 5 and select this and install. After you install the app, open it. This is it. After you open the app, you can select the 3-line in upper left portion and choose Get Started or Direct to Add Trading Account and search our broker, which is VT Markets. After select this, copy and paste the login ID and password sent to you by VT Markets via email, and make sure the server is correct. Select Login. Make sure that this is connecting or connected to login VT Markets account. To edit currency pairs, choose the quotes below to access tradable currency pairs, and set our most traded currency pairs. Select the pencil in upper right portion of the screen to edit the current currency pairs. Select the trash bin, and select all. After, throw them into the trash bin, and select the plus sign to add our currency pairs. After the plus sign, search our currency pair, which XAUUSD and DJ30. But in demo, the XAUUSD has VIP, and in live account, it has STD or standard. How to access the chart? Press 1 pairs to access the chart, and select chart. Or go back to quotes and select the chart below in our screen. After that, select the DJ30 in upper left portion below of 3 lines, and select which pairs do you want. But in this video, we choose DJ30 for our demonstration. Select this red and blue rectangular shape in upper right portion to pop up the sell and buy button. And in between of buy and sell button is the lot size. And you can adjust the lot size by pressing it. But we suggest that for beginners choose the lowest lot size, which 0.1 in DJ30, but in XAUUSD is 0.01 to low the risk. Now, we will execute trade. Since this trend is slightly going up, we will take the buy. Press the buy once to execute trade. Also, don't forget to accept the terms and conditions of MetaTrader 5 and press OK. Now, we take the buy. As you can see, we took the buy and it shows on the chart. Now how to view our trades. To view our trade, select trade below in our screen. And to close our trade, simply hold one position to pop up some icons. And choose close position to close trade. Then select close with loss or close with profit. Since this is demonstration, we will close the trade with loss. Now, how about we have more than one trade? So let's go back to chart to demonstrate. This time, we will go for a sell twice. After go to trade. And select this 3 dots for bulk operations. Then select close all position to close all the trades and wait. The numbers become to blue that indicates profitable and close. Now, we will go back to chart to demonstrate how to put stop loss and take profit. This time, we will take one sell to put SL and TP. Then go back to trade and hold on position and select modify position. And put the price that you want in SL and TP. This time, let's go back to chart, then I'll show you the price for SL and TP. Next, tap the plus icon to show the TP and SL levels, then drag them to where you want and input your preferred TP and SL prices. After that, go back to trade and tap one position. Then select modify position, to put your sell and TP price. Next, tap modify and tap done. This time I'll show you how to adjust TP and sell, so let's go back to chart. Next, tap sell and TP in the chart and drag them to adjust. After adjusting the TP and sell, tap the arrow below beside TP and sell and then modify. And that's it. Trading on MetaTrader 5 mobile is that simple. Remember, practice first on a demo account before trading live if you want to learn full strategies, mindset, and proper risk management, and come join our trading community today.
Hi guys, in this video pag-usapan natin paano ka mag-modify ng trade, paano ka magawa ng take profit or TP, at paano gumawa ng stop loss. So of course, pupunta ka muna dito sa MT5 natin na pwede ka nang mag-trade. Yung gagawin mo, let's just say mag-trade tayo guys, mag-trade muna tayo, mag-trade tayo ng buy. So i-click ko tong buy sa taas. So pag-click ko ng buy, nakita ko dito sa trade, this one sa baba, trade. Pag-click ko dito, okay. So ito yung bago na trade natin guys. So, hanapin natin kung saan tayo maglagay ng TP. So, titingnan natin yung bigger picture. So, this one, let's just say, itong TP natin is gusto kong mag-TP dito. Dito lang, sa baba konti ng itong resistance na ito. So, let's just say, gusto kong mag-TP dito. So, makikita mo habang ginagalaw ko itong cursor. By the way, guys, dito ko nakuha yung cursor. Sa upper left na may plus sign. So this one, upper left na may plus sign, may cursor na gumagalaw-galaw. So may presyo dyan. So once ginalaw mo, may presyo. Let's just say this line ito, dito ko maglagay ng TP. So let's just say 33336. Ulitin natin. Trade. Okay. Modify. So 333 Ano yun? 6. Modify. Click mo lang modify. So, makita mo dito sa chart, may nakalagay na linya na TP. So, yan yung indicator na pag umabot na dyan yung presyo, TP ka na. Okay? Now, on the other side also, lagyan natin ng SL. Oh, nag-positive na tayo guys. Oh, nag-positive na tayo. So, SL. So, let's just say ang SL natin is somewhere here. Gawin lang natin parang 1:1 lang. So, 330. Okay, let's just say 3333. So, ito yung ano natin. So, balik ulit tayo sa trade and then modify. O, nag-positive na. Modify mo lang. And then yung SL mo is 3330. Modify. Tama ba? So, kung titignan mo dito sa chart, ay, sa baba pala. Move na lang natin to. Pwede mo ring i-move, guys, ito. Pwede mo ring i-move. Dito ring SL ko. So, move ko lang ito. Modify. So, sa baba, ito yung SL ko. Ito yung TP mo. Okay? So, pwede mo itong i-move, guys. I-click mo lang ito sa taas. Gusto mong i-click? Lalo na yung trailing strap. I-click mo lang ito. Then, after you click, and then click mo itong parang blue arrow. And then, modify. So, yan yung gagamitin natin pag trailing stop. So, nakita mo itong blue sa gitna. Dito tayo nag-trade. And then, yes, the price is going up hanggang TP. So, kung maabot yan ng TP dyan, automatic yan, guys, mag-trigger. Para, kung bumaba naman in opposite direction, pag SL, umabot naman dyan ng, mag-trigger din yan, mag-close din siya ng kusa. So, the way we understand this, guys, parang makukuha na natin itong position natin kasi mataas yung ano natin, papunta sa taas. Alright? So, yun lang, guys. Ganun lang kadali maglagay ng SL at TP or pag-modify ng trade ninyo using MT5. So, how to create support and resistance using our MT5 mobile? It's very simple. Click mo lang somewhere space na walang matamaan. Pag click mo is makita mo itong circle. I-click mo itong may circle, square, triangle on the left side. This one, i-click mo. And then, click mo itong line. And then, i-click mo ito somewhere. And then, i-tap mo lang. Pwede mo siyang ma-move up. And then, ulitin ko, click somewhere na may open. And then, click this square, single, circle, triangle. And then, click another line. And then, click mo ito somewhere. Then, you can move it. Okay, pwede mo siyang browse, move up, move down. Okay?
Guys, so yung ginawa natin last time for our live account. Ngayon, so far, nag-profit na siya. Yan, yung sample ko last time sa inyo. Yan, the same yung account number. So, from 120 yun, naging $310 na siya. So, gagawin natin, magwe-withdraw tayo ngayon. Ito siya. Okay, tapos, click ka dito sa funds. After sa funds, withdraw funds. Okay. Tapos, piliin mo yung account na merong laman. Yan. So, oops. Ano lang, $200 lang yung i-withdraw natin. 200. Yan. Okay. So, confirmation. Ayan. Yan lang yung fees. Maliit lang. Sobra. Okay. So, select tayo. Philippine Bank Transfer. Okay. So, pili ka. Ito, nakaset na sa akin kasi na Union Bank. Yung first deposit mo o yung mga past deposits mo, dun siya papasok. Okay? So, nag-deposit ka dati sa Union Bank, Union Bank siya mag-ano. Tapos, pag na-fill in na mo na lahat yung deposit mo sa Union Bank, ang mangyayari dyan is, kung yung bagong deposit mo, kunwari sa akin, Maya, pag na-fill in mo na din yon, sa Maya na siya papasok. So again, uulitin ko, automatic na yan siya. Wala na siyang pagpipilian kasi kung saan ka nag-deposit on your first few transactions, dun niya ipapasok lahat ng mga withdraw mo. Okay? So sir, maya ako nag-deposit recently. Again, kung ano yung mga deposit mo initial. Okay? And we also do not suggest sa credit card kasi matagal mag-reflect at least 3 weeks to 1 month. Kasi nabayaran na nag-commission na or nag-withdraw na si client kay VT, okay na. Ang problema is sa bank mo. Lalo na pag credit card, matagal ang statement of account. Okay? So, withdraw now. Yan lang. Yan. So, makaka-receive ka ngayon ng ganyan na confirmation. And the email as well. Yan. So, makikita mo yan. Alright. So, hintayin mo lang. Check natin yung Union Bank natin. Actually, itong Union Bank ko, dito lang dumadaan lahat ng mga ini-withdraw, but this is not my main bank. So, I remember wala pa ata to last. Wala pa atang deposit na pinagstay ako dito. So, ito naiwan na lang is 133. So, we'll see kung magkano naman yung papasok dyan if ever. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. Yan, nag-ano siya, successful withdrawal. Hintayin mo na lang na mag-email na naman siya na pumasok na yung pera. So, quick balance tayo. Tingnan natin. Yan, 0 pa ha. Para talagang makita nyo. So, ilang minutes ngayon is 10:44. We'll see kung ano. Pag first few withdrawals natin, usually 3 to 5 days. But, if parati ka nang nagwi-withdraw, usually within the day papasok na yan. Alright? So, we'll just wait na mag-reflect to para okay na siya. Okay? Congratulations! Happy trading! So, hi guys. Today is July 17. So, yung withdraw natin kahapon, July 16, is andito na. Bale, 1 day lang. Ayan. Makikita nyo guys, yan. So, kahapon 0 pa yun, 'di ba? So, yun no. Last transaction ko was July 7. Yesterday yung nag-withdraw, ito na yung pumasok. Tingnan natin if nag-email ba si BT Markets na pumasok na. Ayan. Diyan na pala, kaninang 5:04 PM. Walang 24 hours pumasok na siya. So, yan guys, that means we are very happy with our broker. So, happy trading lang, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. God bless po.
Hi guys, gawa tayo ng how to deposit VT Markets. So, first mag-login ka via vtmarkets.com sa browser gamit yung email at saka password mo. So, now, nasa homepage ka, nasa dashboard mo. So, dito tayo mag-deposit sa 149 na account. Kung wala ka pang Open Live account, click mo itong Open Live account. May separate, may separate video tutorials ako for that, how to open live account. For now, so let's click deposit. And then, after deposit, let's just say mag-deposit muna tayo ng 100. Dito tayo, 149, continue, standard account. And then, local bank. So, local bank, guys, make it sure na pag-create nyo ng account, PH or Philippine address nilagay nyo para nandito itong local bank. Ito yung pinakamadali kasi less hassle. So, local bank. So, ito na, 5-7 lahat. Tapos, okay, dito na tayo, guys. So, maraming payment option. So, pwedeng online bank wire. So, meron silang RCBC, Union Bank, BPI. But for me, ang pinakamadali is e-wallet. So, si e-wallet, Mahimaya, CoinsPH. For now, gagawin natin is GCash. O, dito tayo guys sa GCash. Huwag yung GCash na pay bills, itong GCash lang. So, GCash. Okay. So, pagdating natin dito, pay with GCash. Click natin ito. Pay with Globe GCash. So, click natin yan. And then, bigyan natin yung number natin sa GCash. Tapos next. Tapos may lalagay na code, may lalabas na code. So type lang natin 527485. 527485. Next. Tapos yung ano natin sa GCash. 4 digit sa GCash. Tapos pay. So, tingnan natin. Proceed. So, ito na. Successful na. Makikita mo rin ito sa email, guys. So, ganito lang kadali mag-deposit gamit yung GCash natin. So, kung dito, makita mo, okay, meron siyang 120 kasi meron siyang 20% na bonus. Pero kung 300 yung ilalagay mo hanggang 1,000, meron siyang 100% na bonus. So, meron kang balance na 100, mas meron kayong credit na another 300. So, mag times 2 siya ang tradable account mo. Alright?